Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials so nothing wastes your time. First, open services and make sure the SQL Server instance you need is running. This prevents false leads. Next, verify the server IP or DNS name from your client. If ping fails, fix networking first. Also confirm authentication mode and that the login exists. Windows versus SQL logins behave differently. Once done, you'll have removed common blockers and be ready to change server-side settings safely. Now you configure the server's network layer so clients can reach it. Open SQL Server Configuration Manager and enable TCP/IP. This is the primary transport for remote connections. Set a fixed port like 1433 to avoid ephemeral port confusion, then restart the SQL service so changes take effect. If you use a named instance, make sure SQL Browser is running so clients can resolve the instance to the port. After these steps, finish by testing from the client and resolving final access controls. Use SSMS or SQLCMD and specify server, port, or server / instance depending on your setup. A successful login verifies reachability and credentials. If it still fails, inspect Windows Firewall or Network ACLs to ensure port 1433 is allowed inbound to the server and outbound from the client. Finally, ensure the login has connect permission to the instance. If things still fail, restart SQL services after permissions changes. Key tip: use Telnet server 1433 to confirm raw TCP reachability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.